I go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle. If not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be the first person to watch. Abu Trica spent the Christmas in Bar because of his 8 million romance scam. So Abu Trica is going back and forth in court. The US people are trying to let us understand that they want to let Abu Trica to come to US so that they can deal with his case. But the lawyer, Abu Trica's lawyer, is trying to let us understand that since he practiced law, he has not heard anything about romance scam in Ghana here. There's nothing called romance scam or anything. So he's not expecting his client to go to US so that they can deal with him. So many things happened when they went to the court. So without not wasting my time, let's pay attention and listen to what really happened, everything that went on.
Let's go. Oliver. There you go. More good. Judge, who was assigned to sit on the matter today says that no, she's not going to discharge him, but defer that to the substantive judge. This is most unfortunate. At the last agenda, the court ordered that the state should have 5 weeks. If they have any information or any evidence, they should bring it before the court to justify why it will be, the court will proceed against A2 and A3. The states, in 3 weeks, have realized that they can't find anything against them. So why should their liberty be curtailed? This should not happen to anybody. Even when the person clearly is seen committing a crime, it shouldn't happen to the person. Let alone a person that there's no warrant, there's no order, there's no evidence against, to be held in custody. This is a travesty of justice. It's unlawful. And permit me to say this. The very law that the state is relying on to proceed against A1 is what they call a treaty. There is nothing like a unilateral treaty in this world. All treaties are either bilateral or multilateral. That law, as we speak today, does not apply in the United States of America, and therefore it cannot apply in Ghana. The United States of America has moved on from that law, and that law wasn't even between Ghana and the US. It was between the UK and the US. So if the two of them decide not to use that law again, why is it being used against our nationals? And please, all of you, can you look for that law and read the condescending description, the disrespectful description that law gives to us, all of us, and not just us, including our president, our former president, our chief paramount. They call us what? Subjects and possessions of His Majesty. Which of us is a subject of His Majesty? Which of us is a possession? Are we in slavery? Are we under colonization?
No.
How can such a law be used?
You cannot.
If it is not applicable in US, why is it being applied here?
No. It's unfair.
And you see, the state shouldn't try to be mischievous with us.
Yes.
They are trying to create the impression as if there's a reciprocal thing going on with the former finance minister. The former finance minister is not being held on any extradition issue. Whatever is happening to him there has nothing to do with extradition, because the Americans themselves know that that law does not apply in their country, and they cannot use an unapplicable law to extradite the former finance minister. So why will it be used against our nation? To call us subjects, possessions. Are we goods?
No.
To be possessed by His Majesty. Who is His Majesty? Please, let everybody drum it out there. This injustice is not only on these 3 innocent Ghanaians, it's on all of us, irrespective. Because tomorrow it can be me, and we have to be scared. But you see, sorry, We more or less, slowly, we more or less could tell something like this is coming up. We have already filed an application at the High Court to have all the three of them bailed. And we have also filed additional applications to quash everything that is going on because the illegality cannot be allowed to stand. So on the 20th of January, we'll meet at the High Court. We'll meet High Court complex, no matter what. The liberty of these innocent Ghanaians will be restored. Justice. 20th from 9 p.m. I'm a pedal in the Yaba quarter. Watch any Jesus Christ now, brother. And bra, now we'll use Jesus Christ now, brother. And there was our best friend in court. Judge, no. Abana, Ochi, Nipe Basa, innocent person say Basi on your back court. Abana Casas in the Ebian. On Pede Obeye. Case no, is it Yamon? On you want in Assembia. Inti Abana say, Wunja, and so Judge, no. While holding, sir, if you us and down cash until substantive judgment. But Nasa. In cash on what? I've been saying you're wasting time, you can say. I've been saying 18. Now, was it Otodo Ebin? And Brannan Cassa, Wojnada was in there, was a buffer yen nationals, Yenianum, 1 alcohol, Abuti Kujin. The member Nankasano. On yet, it is on yet, because what's in there? Or a treaty. What a treaty? Treaty nipa and a man crope untimi share treaty ase. Or ye ebien e basa no anyone na or then what beja to there was be ejuma. Them treaty ya work ho asemi. Or ye ejuma Ghana pe, onye ejuma America. Inti onyam bra order den ojina. America for no onye UK for work kan boma we them treaty. No ankasa kra we je them treaty. They have moved on. Won use in you. Na abana him ankasa de them treaty. Won use for America. Into us then treaty or receive okay in Sakwa and Saba. Na sensa ko pe no kwa or akwanaba. Onya akwanaba. And therefore only there was na mesre so there. Yen share them treaty. Was in there was a better yen mamba akwa. Or imperialistic or colonial or slavery in Kwasum. Very or ya then treating offer Ghana for Yenina as subjects and possessions of His Majesty. Subject not the issue be as Yakwa possession not the in Zoom on it's up yes on no Zoom. Embra Yaji independence I be in there. Manana Wabaka de Yankwa. Manana Wabaka de Yashubiasi. Zawaze ye yenu anume basano ye gina ho na se okoda ochine bi America fo wa ka de wo ba beje ye former president akọ ye nyi shika ye nyi mboko ukro mahin mamu kro mahin ye nyina na asampo a wasun there was abampo a wasun there wonye ko wasun da bazi romance scam abazi romance scam romance go wasun there na manyo akasa na sa aja atumi there enyim ye hihye ho na acha mazana maybe so as na exam esem dem answer them slave queens no onye offend any nya no dey what you want because that there's no offense in that ni baby no waje atu na dem bra no Ghana hade waka there oba for obi efi Ghana wonye na akọ baby akwejina dem that as a crime pako why no or there offense for Ghana or sanso your offense with dem kromo so one kromo no romance scam Ghana ha me she tell me be a lawyer no nyim za minyim nyina no minyim ni ho go bi se abambra no Ghana offer romance scam into Mr. One woman yen hu asem na enwa duye onye da America nti na America no so was yen honen da ochina obetuma ayo biara
Oh, when you're
Council, are you able to help us with what?
You finish listening and watching everything that went on. You can also share your comments under the comment section. Anything that you really want to say, feel free and say it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you another time.